Hushed H's, Unveiling the Silent Sounds of Native English Speakers. Introduction. When it comes to spoken English, native speakers often exhibit a phenomenon known as H-dropping. This occurs when the initial H sound in certain words is omitted or significantly reduced in natural speech. In this YouTube lesson, we will explore commonly used words that undergo this linguistic transformation. By providing examples for each word, we aim to familiarize learners with the authentic pronunciation patterns of native English speakers. So, let's dive into the world of H-dropping and uncover how English sounds when spoken by its native speakers. Fluency in a language is often hindered when individuals try to pronounce each word individually, resulting in choppy speech. This phenomenon can be observed when non-native English speakers attempt to speak English. However, it is important to note that even in one's native language, words tend to run together or certain elements may be dropped in everyday speech. The same principle applies to English as well. To improve fluency and sound more natural in English, it is beneficial to relax and go with the flow of the language. This means allowing words to blend together and not overemphasizing each individual word. By doing so, one can achieve a smoother and more natural sounding speech pattern. In order to practice this concept, focusing on frequently used words that begin with the letter H can be helpful. Here are some examples. 1. Hello. This is a common greeting used to initiate conversations or acknowledge someone's presence. When pronouncing hello, it is important to let the sounds flow together smoothly. The H sound at the beginning should be pronounced softly, followed by a clear E sound and a relaxed L sound. Hello. Hello. You try. Hello. 2. How. This word is often used to inquire about the manner or method of doing something. When pronouncing how, it is advisable to connect the H sound with the following vowel sound, usually ow as in now. Avoid pausing between the two sounds and instead let them blend together naturally. How are you doing becomes how are you doing? Give it a try. Remember to say it out loud. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The words he, her, him, have, and has are commonly used in English. He is a good friend of mine. Sounds like he is a good friend of mine. He is a good friend of mine. You give it a try. Say it out loud 2 or 3 times. He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. He always arrives on time. You try. He is very talented. He is very talented. He is very talented. Your turn. He loves playing football. He loves playing football. He loves playing football. You say it. He has a great sense of humor. He has a great sense of humor. He has a great sense of humor. Okay, you. Let's try some more. I'll say the sentence pronouncing each word perfectly, then in normal speed twice. After each, I'll pause so you can try each one 2 or 3 times, then go to the next. 2. Her. Her dress looks beautiful. Her dress looks beautiful. Her dress looks beautiful. I saw her at the party last night. I saw her at the party last night. I saw her at the party last night. I gave her a present for her birthday. I gave her a present for her birthday. I gave her a present for her birthday. Her hair is always perfectly styled. Her hair is always perfectly styled. Her hair is always perfectly styled. From here, just normal speed. 3. Him. I saw him at the store earlier today. I saw him at the store earlier today. Tell him I said hello. Tell him I said hello. I lent him my book to read. I lent him my book to read. I'm going to meet up with him later. I'm going to meet up with him later. Four. Have. Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have you ever been to Paris? Have you ever been to Paris? Have some cake, it's delicious. Have some cake, it's delicious. Five. Has. Has she arrived yet? Has she arrived yet? Has he finished his homework? Has he finished his homework? Has the movie started? Has the movie started? Has the package been delivered? Has the package been delivered? Okay, now that we have practiced, let's see what you can do. Below are 5 sentences. Read the sentences at normal speed and see if your practice has paid off. Relax, and read each sentence 3 times. How'd you do? Is it getting a little easier? In conclusion, non-native speakers often struggle with sounding natural in their second language due to their conscious efforts to imitate native speech patterns. However, with increased comfort and fluency, the natural flow of the language will come more effortlessly. It is important for non-native speakers to relax and not put too much pressure on themselves to sound native-like. Instead, they should focus on overall language development and embrace their own unique way of speaking. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and will come back for more. If you would be so kind as to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, it is greatly appreciated.